It's your boy Sack coming to you with today's stock pick. Remember, this channel is all about no face, just facts in less than 5 minutes. Let's get started. Today we're looking at Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, ticker TSM. And this is one of the most important semiconductor stocks in the entire world. While everybody talks about Nvidia, AMD, and AI software companies, a lot of people forget that none of those chips get made without Taiwan Semiconductor. This company sits right in the center of the global AI boom, and that's exactly why the stock has been attracting serious momentum and institutional attention. TSM has been booming as demand for advanced chips continues exploding across artificial intelligence, cloud computing, data centers, smartphones, and high-performance computing. The company manufactures chips for some of the biggest tech companies on Earth, including Apple, Nvidia, and Advanced Micro Devices. That means when AI demand increases, TSM is usually one of the biggest long-term beneficiaries because it provides the manufacturing power behind the scenes. Looking at the chart technically, TSM has been showing a very strong bullish structure. The stock continues making higher highs and higher lows over time, which is one of the clearest indicators of an uptrend. Buyers continue stepping in during pullbacks, and momentum has remained strong even during periods of market volatility. One thing traders really like about TSM is that it combines growth and stability. Unlike some smaller momentum stocks that can swing wildly every day, TSM often trends in a more controlled and sustainable way because of its massive market position and institutional ownership. Right now, the first key support zone I'm watching sits around the recent breakout area. As long as TSM continues holding above support and staying above key moving averages, the bullish structure remains intact. If the stock starts losing those support levels, traders may begin looking for a larger pullback before another breakout attempt. On the upside, the next major resistance zone is important because if buyers push through it with strong volume, TSM could continue extending its rally as AI demand keeps growing globally. Volume is another major factor here. During major upside moves, volume has expanded, confirming strong participation behind the rallies. That's important because strong volume tells us institutions may still be accumulating shares. Momentum traders always want to see volume confirming breakouts because weak volume rallies tend to fail more often. Another major reason investors are bullish on TSM is the future outlook for semiconductors overall. AI infrastructure demand continues increasing rapidly, and companies are racing to build more advanced chips for machine learning, robotics, cloud systems, autonomous vehicles, and next-generation computing. TSM remains one of the few companies in the world capable of manufacturing the most advanced semiconductors at scale, which gives the company an enormous competitive advantage. Now let's talk risks because every stock has them. One of the biggest concerns surrounding TSM is geopolitical tension involving Taiwan and China. Investors always keep an eye on those developments because any instability in the region could impact global semiconductor supply chains. Another risk is valuation after the stock's strong run higher. Momentum stocks can experience sharp pullbacks even while staying bullish long-term, especially if broader tech markets begin cooling off. The bullish scenario is simple. AI demand keeps accelerating, semiconductor momentum remains strong, and TSM continues benefiting from massive chip demand worldwide. If that happens, buyers may continue pushing the stock toward new highs over time. The bearish scenario is that semiconductor momentum cools off, broader tech markets weaken, or geopolitical concerns create uncertainty for investors. Overall, technically and fundamentally, TSM remains one of the strongest semiconductor companies in the world and one of the biggest backbone plays behind the entire AI movement. This is not financial advice, just my technical breakdown. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment some stocks you want to hear about as we start our journey to 10,000 subscribers, and follow Stocks by Sat06 for more stock picks and technical analysis breakdowns.